Are you looking for something quiet, peaceful, out in the country, but not too far away from Warner Robins? I got something for you. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a little bit over 1,400 square foot home for you here in Hawkinsville. Open floor concept, beautiful LVP flooring. You got modern kitchen cabinets, granite countertops, and so much more. We got 2 beautiful sized bedrooms over here in this hallway and a full bathroom, as well as the main bedroom with a double vanity, super nice bathroom, as well as a walk-in closet. Got a beautiful open floor concept, as I mentioned before. Nice living room, no carpet, so you can spill your drinks and snacks and it's easy to clean up. But this house also has a large laundry space right off of the garage and an outdoor living space that is to die for with a screened-in patio.